Now that we got the history out the way, let's get into the device itself and let's learn our tool. So we got the MPC 5000. This is my custom version of it. So obviously you got the 16 pads in the front. You got several Q-Link options here on the left. You got your transport, play, stop, record over here. You got your banks, you got your record volume, you got your main volume, you got your data wheel, you got your input of your numbers and letters, and you also have your virtual synth and a quick way to get to your arpeggiator. If we look at the front of the unit, headphone jack, foot switch, and we do have a card reader. Mine's is left over from my MPC 1000. I don't really use it, but I have it there just in case. If we turn around to the back, you got your power switch, power plug, USB to transfer files to and from your computer. You got your MIDI in, MIDI out. You got your 8 outs. You got your stereo out left and right. You got your input. So you can plug this up to a CD player, turntable, and you got your main outs, your left and right. These are digital output options that are outdated as of right now, so I don't really even use those. So the upgrades on mine's, obviously I'm missing the side panels here. I took mine's off and I just never put them back on. Some of these were known to overheat, so I leave them off to get a little bit more ventilation. And I haven't had any power issues with mine since I got mine in 2019, I want to say. I got the fat pads from MPC stuff. I also have, I replaced the pad sensor that's on the inside here, on the bottom side of these pads. And the big major upgrade that I did to this is that it came with this hard drive, which is 160 gigabyte old school hard drive. I replaced it with one of these. I put an SSD in it. So obviously you can see that the inputs are different. So what you need is an adapter. All you got to do is get one of these. It's simple. It's plug and play. It is a 40-pin IDE to SATA converter. This is the SATA version, and on the inside of your unit will be the 40-pin, which is that. So you just put in that adapter. There's no power. There's nothing else to it. I plugged it up. I used some double-sided tape. It's in there, and it's never coming out. So now let's grab some raw materials. Let's make some beats happen.